Hi everyone, this is Vanessa Nielsen and we just fully prepped this home. There's a lot of changes that's going to be happening here and the stager's on her way. Can't wait to show you guys the transformation.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice.
Hi Don! I saw your property. It looks a little bit colorful. I'm thinking maybe we should do some color change.
Okay, is that necessary?
Well, I do like your color. I know it's a personal thing. I kind of feel like it just needs a fresh coat and something a little bit more bold. Now, I know your rooms inside are really bold and I'm telling you to neutralize them.
Okay.
But here on the outside of the home, I'm thinking we can just really make it pop. We want it to pop because that curb appeal and then, of course, the sun hitting the house. You just need a little bit more boldness outside.
Okay, you're the expert.
Okay.
I trust you.
All right, okay, the pressure is on me now, guys.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting. No.
Hi, my name is Marika and I'm going to make this house beautiful.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh,
Check out this room.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
So this backyard here, we'll get a patio set with that basketball and bring some cutting green stuff.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why?
Wow, this looks very good. Vanessa told me that the staging is completed, so I can't wait to see it. This store is beautiful.
Hi, Don!
Hi!
Welcome home!
Wow, this is amazing.
Well, do you recognize your house anymore?
Just a shell, but this looks fabulous.
Yeah, so let's walk through the home.
Okay.
It's your first time seeing it. I know you moved out for a little bit for us to do the work and you had moved a lot of things out, but we did keep some things. So you remember this living room. This living room, the couch was
Yeah, like an L.
an L. Couch here and two accent chairs here. We moved it around and also you had another coffee table. So now the space opens up. And do you remember this wall?
Yes, this wall used to be orange. That was a highlight for a lot of people. Love that color.
I love that color too, but I felt it was too much for buyers, so I wanted to neutralize it. And we wanted to work with a color that would complement the gray that you already had.
Yeah, it's very neutral. I love it, actually.
So therefore we picked a white. I think a Swiss coffee is a good color to use. Okay, so I'm excited to show you the rest of the home.
Okay.
Your home is amazing.
This is the highlight focal point of the whole house is this kitchen. Everyone talks about it. We spent a lot of time picking the material, how I wanted it to be modern. This is just where everyone wants and love to congregate.
Yeah, I love the open floor plan, and I think this home has been expanded. The style around here is smaller.
Correct, yeah. So we doubled the square footage of the home. It used to stop right here, right where the beam is, and we added that whole right side.
So then you also had a lot of saw things in here.
Yes, it used to be described as Dave and Buster's motif. So I had a lot of sports memorabilia around. It was really a family room where everybody did, so we're all together. I think I would have chosen this style as a buyer over what I had if I were going into a new home.
And once people settle in, they bring in their own flair. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've done.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
Okay, so here's your master.
Wow, this looks so much bigger than what it was. And I just love the trimming, so to speak.
So we used your furniture, your bed and your nightstands, and we kept the dresser and the fireplace. We added accent pieces.
It's very complimentary. Yeah, there's no distraction, so to speak.
Great.
Yeah, I love it.
Next room is your son's room.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive.
Oh, wow. I think we need to have a new baby. This is beautiful.
Well, we just need to transform him a little bit. Now it's a girl's room.
Yeah.
City lights looking fine.
This room used to be blue, and it had a lot of LED light strips, and it was your son's room, but that bed was a queen-size bed,
Yes.
and the desk I liked, but then you had everything moved out and brought the white bed in.
This is beautiful. So far, this is the best room.
It shows a lot of space now.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Wow. This used to be my mom's bedroom, and it was cramped in here, and we had a dresser here, a dresser there. The way you set it up is just very elegant, actually, and nice and open. I'm sure she would enjoy this much better than the original setup. It's beautiful. I'm amazed. Wow, I thought that was the best room, but I like this equally as well. This is the boys' room, but this is actually my daughter's room.
2 daughters.
Yeah, 2 daughters' room, and there were 2 beds along each other, and this setup much bigger. It's beautiful. I mean, the elements that you guys put together, again, I would not have even thought of it. So I'm very thankful that you guys came in to stage the property.
Yeah, just neutralizing it lets people feel that they can actually just move right in.
Yeah.
And then just having nice staging, you know, different furniture in here. And I think the number one thing is opening up the space lets people feel like the house is bigger.
Yeah, right. I love it.
We had a dark gray sports jacket, and that was the color that inspired me for the front of your home.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yep, I commented it was a nice color, and that we should try that for your facade. So you already have great style.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
I think that's it. Thanks, John, for everything and for letting us into your home and trusting us with our vision. Okay, guys, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you at the next property.
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.